Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatullah. My name is Aziz Mirza Mohamedov. I just recently completed my hijama course, International Hijama Institute, under the guidance Sulaiman Gok. I am very happy. I appreciate for all the Hijama Institute, International Institute. I have passed the exam. I have get a 20 lesson training from Sulaiman Gok. He was under the me. I am very tell the Sulaiman Gok knowledge, passion for the hijama truly stood out, and I am very as soon as possible I will open to my hijama workshop in the Toronto. I recommend it, invite everybody to come at least one time. Hijama is a sunnah of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He said to recommended to get hijama. When he was lifted up in the sky with Allah, Jibril alayhi salam said, tell all your ummah to get hijama. Hijama is best for healthy, for body, for everything. Jazakallah khair. I appreciate to everything. If you are looking for hijama with excellence, International Hijama Institute is the best place of start. Jazakallah khair. Assalamu alaikum. Thank you.